Hi, I'm Sabina from KingFit. I'm a personal trainer and a dancer based here at the Factory Gym in London. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Crank That Soldier Boy dance. Okay, so that was a quick demo of the Soldier Boy dance. I'm now going to break it down for you. Okay, so we're going to start going to the right side. We're going to start with jumping the right foot in front of the left and the left behind the right, so we jump 1. Okay, so one more time, we're just going to jump across 1 and then open back out on 2. So that's your first move. We have 1, 2. Second move, we're going to bring the right heel up and hit the left hand for 3, 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second part. One more time, cross and hit. You're then going to take it down to the right side with a little lean. We're going to use the shoulders, we're going to come forwards and lean. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to come 1, 2, 3. As you do that, we're going to bring up the left leg and tap onto the toe. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and as you tap, you really sink down and lean into it. Let's put that together. We've got cross, hit, shoulder, shoulder, lean. One more time. We've got cross, hit, shoulder, shoulder, lean. Okay, we're then going to use the right leg. We're going to bring it forwards, open, and hit the knee on the hand. So we come in and up. Okay, 3 movements, 1, 2, 3. Bring it down for your 4th, okay? Let's link that together again from the top. So we've got cross, hit, lean, lean, tap, and cross, cross, hit, down. Then we've got the Superman. With the Superman, we're going to step forward onto the left leg, open out the hands here for your Superman balance there. So that comes after there. You've got the hit down and Superman out. Okay, let's pop that together from the beginning. Cross, heel, lean, lean, tap, cross, cross, hit it there, Superman. From there, legs together, we're going to do the Yule. Yule, we're going to jump over to the side, bringing the arms out to the other side. 3 jumps, and then switch sides, 3 jumps, switch sides, 3 jumps, switch sides, 3 jumps. Okay, so that's 4 across in total. Okay, let's pop it together all the way through from the beginning. We've got cross, hit, shoulder, shoulder, lean, and cross, hit, and Superman. And then jump across for the Yule 4 times. That's 3 and 4. Okay, all you need to be able to do is it to the other side. So let's just go through quickly to the left side. We jump across, left leg forward this time. Cross, open. This time you're going to use the left heel, hit the right hand there, lean, lean, back, tap the right foot on the floor, using the left leg to cross, open, hit the knee, and then the right leg comes forwards into your Superman. One more time, so you cross the left leg, left heel, lean to the left, and left leg comes across, hit it, and Superman, and then the first Yule is going to come across to this side, arms going over there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's link the 2 sides together. We're going to go to the right side first, and then once we've done that, we're going to go across to the left side. So from the top, on the right, cross, hit, down, down, lean, cross and hit it, and Superman. Now the Yule, cross, 2, 3, across, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3. We're going straight into the left, and you cross and hit, down, down, tap, cross and hit, and Superman. Now back to Yule. And cross, and that's the Soldier Boy dance.